To add a custom token to Exodus, on your Exodus account, scroll down and you will see here the Add More. Click on it and then click the three button on the upper right corner and select Import Token. You can see here you can paste your token address or search by name, but in this case I'm going to search some token to give you an idea. For example, Uniswap. Now to add it, click on it, then click this add button. And that's it. Your token is added to Exodus, and that's how you add custom token to Exodus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.